I recently had the downspout drains to the house hydrojetted because water was collecting in the basement. Now I've taken care of that, but what I've noticed is there's a residual dampness in the air in the basement and a musty odor. And I'm going to tell you and show you what I did to get rid of that coming up next. I have been dying, well not dying, but I've wanted to try DampRid for some time now. And I saw it in a hardware store and I thought to myself, you know what? Today's the day when we put DampRid to the test. We find out if it does everything it claims to do. Now if you're wondering what DampRid does, here's the deal. It's a moisture absorber, and it traps excess moisture that, well, is hanging out in the basement or storage sheds or laundry rooms, bathrooms, etc. I decided I really wanted to try this because the basement in this house has that mildew and musty odor. So we're going to take this downstairs to the basement and we're going to put this to the test. We're going to find out, well, if it really does eliminate the dampness. And with all the extreme weather we've been having across the country, I felt now was the time to try this and find out if it really does help eliminate excess moisture in rooms that tend to get damp. Well, let's see what we've got here. So this is what it looks like up close. You've got the top chamber of the bag that houses little crystals. That's calcium chloride. That's what really absorbs the moisture from the air. And then the bottom chamber is where the water is collected. It has a little hook here so you can hang it up. But what I will tell you is they also make the larger tubs for areas like garages and for sheds and basements. So you have a couple different routes to go. So I'm using these because, well, to be honest with you, it's all I could find at the time. 3 come in a box and it cost me a little under $10. Now this is a room that tends to be very humid. The air is really thick here. So what we're going to do is we're going to hang our bag right here where air can freely circulate. Now what we're going to do is we'll come back in a week and we'll check the bottom compartment and see if any water has collected. Okay, it's been a little over a week, and if you can see this, yeah, water has collected in the bottom compartment of the bag. There's the water level right there. Wow, that's really effective. And it's an inexpensive solution to a damp basement or bathroom or closet. I gotta tell you, I'm happy with the results. Now, if you have a room in your house that's got that mildew smell and that musty odor and, well, there's a lot of moisture in the air, you may want to consider this. Now, what I'll do is I'll place a link in the description below the video so you can check it out for yourself. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.